Hi everybody. In this video I'd like to talk about replacing the blend door actuator on a 2011 Ford Fusion. Now the blend door actuator is the actuator that controls the air temperature flowing into your cabin. It's the one activated by this dial right here. So when you change the temperature from hot to cold, there's a little electric motor underneath your dash that changes the temperature. Now, there's another actuator on this vehicle. That's the mode actuator. That's activated by pressing these buttons. That controls the airflow, whether it comes out the floor, dash, or defroster. That's not the one that we are changing here. Some cars have a dual zone system. So if the driver and passenger are able to adjust their temperatures separately, I think that's the case for some of these models. Then you might have two blend door actuators to swap out. Anyway, this car only has one blend door actuator. Now, this is the actuator. This is the old one. This is the actuator I replaced. Before I started the procedure, I did disconnect the negative battery terminal on the vehicle. That's what was recommended by the instructions I received. By doing that, once you install the new one and then reconnect the negative battery terminal, it puts the car into a recalibration mode. So then it will recalibrate the position of the new actuator that you put in. I'll talk about that a little bit more near the end of the video. Now, this actuator right here, you have a little clip right here, electrical connector clip. You have to push that in and then pull out. So that will disconnect the electrical connection right here. There are two screws, hex screws, one right here and one down here that you'll have to take out. There is not a hex screw there. And then you'll be able to slide the unit out and replace it with the new one. Now, I did have a few issues replacing the new one. I'll talk about that after I show you where this is located on the vehicle. So the location of this one is right up above the gas pedal. So let me show you where that is. Okay, so right here is the blend door actuator. You have a hex screw right there. There's another hex screw up right about up in here. And then there's your electrical connector. You have to push the little tab in and then pull out. Once you take those hex screws out and disconnect the electrical, it slides out. It's a little bit tough to pull out. It was sort of stuck on the spindle, but it comes out. Right above it, you can see another actuator. That is your mode door actuator. That is the one that changes the airflow from floor to dash to defrost. We're not changing that one. That one looks like it would be really tough to get to, luckily. We're not changing that one. We're changing out this one right here, or I already changed it out. Okay, so once you take the old one out, you can slide the new one in. Now, there was an issue that I had. Let me talk about that. So you see how this spindle receiver here has these little flats on it. Okay. So if you look on the other side, there's a little notch right there you can see. My new actuator that I bought, this notch was aligned with that line right there. And the old one, this notch was down pretty far and aligned with that line right there. So when I went to put the new one on, the actuator, I had to cock it like that a little bit, but then it hit the actuator above it, and I couldn't really slide it onto the spindle. So what I had to do is I put the old one back on, and I just sort of manipulated the heater control. This old motor does work just a little bit. It's herky-jerky, but it did work. And I was able to move this spindle receiver just a little bit so it aligned a bit better with the new one that I got. Then I was able to slide the new one on, turn it a little bit so that the holes lined up and I could get the screws back in. So that was my only issue. If that happens to you, well, maybe you can put the electrical connector onto the new one, adjust the temperature control until the new spindle receiver aligns with the your old actuator spindle receiver, and then slide the new one on. I don't know. I got a little bit lucky there where I was able to get the new one on. So that's the only issue that I had. After I installed the new one, what I did then is I reconnected the negative battery terminal, and the car went into like a recalibration mode, and reset the actuator positions. The manufacturer, here's the instructions that they gave me for that reset procedure. I hope you can see that on the video. Some people say that you can just disconnect the fuse to the HVAC system on the car and then reconnect it, and then it will go into a reset mode where it will recalibrate the position of the new actuator. So that's a possibility as well. All right, so if you're attempting this repair, I hope you find this video helpful, and good luck with everything.